Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring a super cool city you must visit, Baku, Azerbaijan. It's full of history, modern wonders, and beautiful vibes. Stick till the end. Number 1 is something you will not want to miss. Let's get started. Number 6, Baku Boulevard. First up, let's chill at Baku Boulevard, the longest promenade along the Caspian Sea. Walk, ride a bike, or just relax and enjoy the fresh sea breeze. You'll find cafes, parks, and even a little Venice with boats you can ride. Perfect for sunset views and fun photos. Number 5, Flame Towers. You can't miss the Flame Towers. They light up the Baku skyline like magic at night. The towers glow with dancing lights that look like fire. It's super cool to watch, and you can visit the top for an awesome view of the city. Number 4, Heydar Aliyev Center. This place is a work of art. Designed by the famous architect Zaha Hadid, it looks like a wave made of glass and steel. Inside, you'll find art exhibitions, culture shows, and even futuristic cars. Great spot for Instagram photos and feeling inspired. Number 3, Baku Old City, İçerişehir. Step back in time at Baku Old City. Wander through tiny stone streets, see ancient buildings, and visit the Maiden Tower. A real mystery from centuries ago. It's like walking inside a storybook full of secrets and treasures. Number 2, Gobustan National Park. Want something wild? Head to Gobustan to see ancient rock carvings, giant stones, and even real mud volcanoes. It's crazy fun and feels like you're visiting another planet. Perfect for adventure lovers and nature fans. And finally, number 1, the Carpet Museum. Yes, a museum shaped like a giant rolled-up carpet. Inside, you'll see colorful, beautiful carpets that tell the story of Azerbaijan's culture. It's fun, it's unique, and it's way cooler than you think. Plus, it's right near the sea, making it a perfect end to your Baku adventure. And that's it. The top 6 places to visit in Baku. Baku is a city where old meets new, where magic meets reality. Which place are you most excited to visit? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome travel videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling,